everybody, it's Jean here. Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. Just a real quick update. If you've been watching me, you know that we had a bit of a disaster with our home on September 1st with the tornado and the hurricane. Well, that's nothing. That's nothing. I just wanted to ask you all to continue with your prayers, which have helped us tremendously. Our second son, Justin, has been battling COVID for a while. His family had gotten it and gotten over it, and he hasn't, and he was just taken to hospital, and a very low heartbeat. So they are checking out his heart and his lungs at this point. He was feeling dizzy and confused, and he's had it the last 8 or 9 days, sweats and real bad, real bad. So he's 38 and fit, healthy, trim, eats well, takes his vitamins, is active, but you never know. So I was a bit overwhelmed when we got our last text from his wife, who had taken him to hospital. She can't stay there, of course. He's by himself. So I texted him and I didn't know. I said, I don't know if you're going to get this message, Justin. I said, but you know, I wish I could be there, you know. And he gave me a list of what he answered. He gave me a list of the things that he was feeling, you know, faintness and dizziness with low beats of the heart. Or checking him out for, as I said, for pneumonia, and memory loss and confusion, and me and my humor, I said, oh, you know, oh my word, oh my goodness. Hopefully, maybe antibiotics can kill, I don't know, pneumonia bacteria, and that would help the virus to slow down. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, I know he's very ill, but I did say it. I said, oh, you know, as far as the memory confusion, I said, this is your mother speaking, if you forgot. he texted back, LOL. So anyway, this is just a few second video from Jean, and asking for your continued prayers and continued thoughts for our pathetic family right about now. Somebody said our Job-like trials. This too shall pass, hopefully. So yeah, thank you so much, everybody. And again, I can't comment on the hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of comments that I've gotten from everybody, because we're sort of inundated here. We're still safe. We're safe in our son's home, and things are moving along very, very slowly, to be expected, but we're safe. And Maxwell was a bit upset when we received the flurry of texts from all of our children who are in our position, our children. I don't mean to brag, but I tell you, our 10 children have risen to the obstacles and the difficulties that Ian and I and Maxwell have been in the last 22 days, having been displaced. And they've been so very kind, and so many of you have been so very kind. And we just need your prayers for our dear Justin and his family, his 4 children, and his wife, who was also very ill, was looking after him, and his extended family, looking after him and taking a real good job. So I'll sign off now. And as always, love from the large Truelove family. Thank you, folks.